Good afternoon, this is Joan of Art. Two words to discuss today, AKSIDENTE and DISGRASYA. How are they different and how are they similar? I have a friend who is in the business of reporting in broadcast and print and also in social media. They have this news report in Ilonggo featuring an accident. I did not see the post itself, but I was told that there was a comment criticizing the news reporter for the wrong use of the word disgrasya for aksidente. Now, what is aksidente and disgrasya? First, aksidente is the word for accident, which could mean a mishap, an unexpected, unfortunate event, the result of which is not a happy one. Now, we are discussing here Ilonggo by common usage or popular usage, and disgrasya has over the years been used as a synonym for accident. So whenever there's a mention of an accident, some people would say na disgrasya. Well, literally, disgrasya means disgrace. Why some people who fall into the state of disgrace could be called as disgraciado or disgraciada. This was during the Spanish times, especially when women fall into disgrace, like getting pregnant out of wedlock. They are called disgraciada. That is not an accident, but a disgrace. Disgrasya could be referred to this way. But eventually, through continuous use of the word disgrasya in accidents, it has become an acceptable word to describe an accident as well, as accident is also a form of disgrace. Or in one Visayan language website, disgrace is defined as, one meaning of disgrasya is accident, another meaning is a chance event, and the third one is disgrace, and the fourth is a mishap. While on the other hand, an accident is mostly referred to as a collision, a crash, a wreck, or a shipwreck, or any accident which has fatal results. So it's also a disgrace. To figure in an accident is also a disgrace. Disgrasya and aksidente are the same. They're synonymous in this context. So if there's an accident, it can be called aksidente or disgrasya. They are synonymous in that context. As a court interpreter, we are interpreting words not only in their literal meaning, but also in their context and in the best way that can convey an idea to the other speaker who does not understand English or Ilonggo or vice versa. That's why I'm doing this blog as an interpreter of the Ilonggo dialect. Stay tuned for our next blog. Please comment about aksidente or disgrasya, and please do like, share, and subscribe. This is Joan of Art, and see you once again in our next video episode. Bye-bye for now.